You can put water in that.
I'm pouring water.
Not yet. Finish looking through your box. Look through your box. Clean this lens off. Did you touch this lens, Bubby?
Okay.
Hey, finish looking through here. Give that to Mommy. Mommy will hold it while you finish looking.
Water.
In just a second, finish looking.
Where's it go? There.
What's that?
Open.
Let me read this. I think that the bags are from different people. That's from Auntie Julia.
Wow. Hi. Open. Open. There.
Oh, give that to Mommy. Give it to Mommy. Oh, wow. Oh, there's some good bubbles. Here, Mommy, hold. You blow. Give it here. Finish looking. Oh, you got some sunglasses?
There's
Oh, it has a froggy.
a froggy.
Keep looking. What's that? Oh, look, that's so you can look at bugs. Beaner, go away. Hey, look, you got more in there.
Will open.
I'll open it. Look at more stuff. These are cute bags, buddy. Wow. Oh, what's that? Beaner, back off.
Open.
It's open, buddy. Keep looking. Auntie Julia spoiled you. Oh, wow. What's that? Get down. Stop going after his candy. Hey, keep looking. We'll put some water in it when we go outside later, okay? Get here. Keep looking. Here, give it here.
Open.
Finish looking and I'll open it, okay? Is that one empty now? There's one behind you. That one's not empty. There's another plant. Right behind you, buddy. See the green bag? That's from Auntie JoBeth. Bring it over here. Uh-oh, you emptied it. Bean, get off of it. Did Auntie Jo get you shirts? Look what they are. That's Bumblebee from Transformers, buddy. And what else? Who's that?
Mommy. More. It's a mirror.
Behind you, you got one more. Look at the book. What's that? What is that? Is that a poo book?
Oh, this. What is it? Oh. Medicine. Don't agree. Can.
Can you say thank you? No.
Where's your bubble?
Hey.
Where's your bubble?
Your bubbles are down here. Can you say bye-bye?
Where's your bubble?